Hello and welcome to Developer Learning Zone, brought to you by me, your instructor Alex Headley, and in this TechHelp video we're going to learn how to install SQL Server. So if we jump to the Microsoft website and go to the SQL Server part, you can see that 2025 is out and you can try SQL Server 2025, but that'll prompt you to fill in a form and stuff like that, so don't do that. Go to downloads. Scroll down and you can see there's a couple of different options. So you can try on-prem, Azure, Developer or Express. We're going to install Express because that's all we need. And if we jump to our downloads folder, you can see that I've pre-downloaded SQL Server 2025 Express Edition. Double click on that, admin prompt's going to pop up and then it's going to start installing Express. So we can pick the type we want. I'm just going to go with basic, but if you wanted to get into the custom settings and choose exactly what you want, you can do that. Just going to click basic. Read through the EULA. Make sure everything's fine for what you're going to use it for, and then accept when it is. You can pick which location you want to install it. I'll just set the default. You can see the size, and then you can click install. I'm going to let it run in the background for now and I'll jump back once it's finished. And now we've installed it successfully. You can see that we have an instance name of SQL Express. It's automatically added me as the administrator. We're running the SQL Engine feature. Now we've got the connection string, the log folder, the installation folder and the resource folder. Just going to copy the connection string and paste that into a notepad I've got. And as you can see, we've got the servers set to localhost SQL Express. There's a master database that gets created and the trusted connection is true. We can also connect now and it'll open up a SQL command. You can see that it's ran SQL add version and it's returned back that we have SQL 2025 installed. So we've successfully installed the version that we want and we're ready to use it. In the next video, we'll install SSMS. Hope to see you there. Thanks.